There are times when we're saving money for an emergency fund or doing a savings challenge. Sometimes we have to miss a payment, depending on our financial situation. That's okay. Long as when you miss a payment, you start right back. And in this savings challenge, that's what I'm going to be showing you, because I have missed some payments in this savings challenge, but I've started right back. And I am encouraging you to always start back if you have missed any payments. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda's my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. Yes, that is a great thing to be doing, because emergency comes and they can't be avoided, and we want to have money to tap into. We don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. No, we don't. No, we don't. Yeah, and I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays, even though today is Sunday. I missed yesterday, but like I was saying in the introduction, if you have to miss a payment, that's fine, because things like that happen. Just make sure you be consistent and start back. Long time ago, what I'm doing now, I used to do, I would take small amounts of money every time I got some money, put it away to the side and save it, and it added up over time. Well, the problem what I would do is, when I would need the money, I would spend it on whatever I needed, but I wouldn't start back. And that is the key. If you have money saved, like say for instance, you're doing the savings challenge and however much is in here and you need some of it, that's fine. Take it and use it. But just make sure you put it back. Like if you're putting $20 in here every week, or how often you're putting in, double it. If you can, do what you can. Do what you can when you can and how you can. Just long as you're doing something. And in this savings challenge, what you're going to need is a container, and I call this my money box savings challenge. Okay? And this is a money box I got from Amazon. It was around $14, $15, and they have different kinds. And you know, I was thinking I should have got this other kind where the top slid off. But anyway, I got this one, and I was thinking about buying another one, but I'm thinking, oh, I might just keep this one. I don't know. And then you're also going to need this. What is this? A $20 bill. So that's what we're stuffing this with every week. $20 bills. So that's roughly $80 a month. 20, 40, 60, 80, because it's 4 weeks in a month. Now, if you can't do that, do something lower, but do something. And we want to save at least $1,000, and that way that'll cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. We want to sit down and calculate what our living expenses are for the month. Write it down and see how much you're spending every month, and multiply that times 3 or 6. And that way, if anything happens to your income, like if you have something like this, especially this here, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance, and even if you have credit card bills or whatever that's into that living expenses, you can still pay that until your situation changes. And even if you have things like this, you can take care of those things if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved. And that way you won't have to go out and get one of these, one of these, one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Because this is not free money. This is actually this here. And we want to stay out of this. Yeah. We want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And the fees are horrendous. Yes, they are. Now, this is good because this can cause us to have passive income, and it can cause us to be financially free because we can use other people's money. Yes. Okay? All right. Now, and this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation because it's working with small amounts of money. What is that? $20. Okay? And also, it's a great savings challenge. Savings challenge if this is your income here. Okay? Because, like I said, it's working with small... Oh, no, I picked up the wrong card. I'm sorry. This one and this one. Because it is working with small amounts of money. Okay? Yeah. And do whatever you can to come out of this situation. You need to increase your income. And that can help you pay this off early. Okay? And when you're not boggled down with this, it can help you to become financially free. Because you can take that money and invest it. We don't want to just have the savings challenge. We want to be financially free. Okay? All right. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and read our daily affirmations that we have. And these are things that we are speaking into existence. Death and life is in the power of our tongue. We can either speak death or we can speak life. But we want to speak life. We don't want to speak no negative things. We want to speak life. Okay? And we can literally speak things into existence. Okay? And it starts off like this. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. Okay? I decree and I declare that all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I don't live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Now you got to believe it. Believe it, receive it, and expect it. Expect it by getting glad about it before it happens. Start visualizing it. See it in your mind. Because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, let's go ahead and add our money to our money box. Yeah. All right. Now, let's go ahead and record our... Now, we are getting down to the end of 2025. And 2026 is around the corner. So, start getting yourself ready and prepared if you're going to do this savings challenge. Get your money box. And it doesn't have to be a money box. Just get some kind of container. Okay, so we're going to put this on Saturday, December 20th. And this is called our money box savings challenge. And let me see, do I see any days that I missed? Yeah, I did miss one in October. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. If you have to miss a day, that's fine. Just keep on going, okay? Okay, so we added $20, and our total amount is $960 because last Saturday it was $940. Now, that means to have $1,000 in here after today, we need $40 more. And let's see how many more Saturdays we have. Just one more Saturday. So I think next Saturday, what I'll do is I'll add $40, and this will be all completed. I think it's supposed to be $1,040 when it's done, I believe. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.